Hey there, Alan from Ural Junkie. How's it going? So today we're just going to do a quick test. We are going to do a compression check on the engine. I already have the plugs out. I have them stuck into the plug boot so they're grounded since we're going to be cranking the engine over. Of course, we have to have the key on for that. So let's put this in and see what kind of pressure we get. Last year when I did this, I got 150 PSI on both cylinders, which is really good. And when you're doing this, it's not so much the absolute numbers that are important. I mean, they are, but it's more important how the cylinders match up. So let's crank this up and see what kind of pressure we get. To do this, I will turn the key on, open the throttle all the way, and try and start the bike. Okay, and we have here 150 pounds dead nuts on. Look, 150. Ooh, 150. Let's go measure the other side. This has a quick release. Yeah, that's good. That means that cylinder is still operating just like it was last year. Okay, we'll screw this guy in. And it has a rubber O-ring on it so it seals up. You don't have to torque it down with a wrench or anything. Okay, let's see how this side does. This side looks like 149. Let me show you. Yeah, so last year it was 150, 150. This time it is, well, the air's leaking out slowly, but it was about 149. About 149, so that's good. Okay, so I'm not too worried about the cylinders. They're acting nicely. And you might ask yourself, well, what should the numbers be? It's pretty easy to figure out. All you need to do is find out what your local barometric pressure is from your weather station. Take that and convert it into PSI, which I did on Google. And then pull up a calculator, and for me, my PSI here where I'm at is 14.75 PSI. I know that the compression ratio of the Ural is 8.6, so I take 8.6 and multiply that, and I should have almost 127. So if you take into account errors with the gauge, errors with the temperature, yada yada, we're above what it says it should really be. So I'm happy with that. So that is a compression check. You should do that once a year and see how your engine is performing. So that is it for today. I will see you later.